welcome to Financify. Today, I'll show you how to trade gold on Etoro using your mobile device in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, open the Etoro app on your mobile. Make sure you are logged into your account. If not, enter your credentials and log in. Once logged in, tap the Discover button at the bottom of the screen. Then, in the search bar, type in gold and select the result that says gold XAU/USD. Here, you can view the current gold price, historical chart trends, and additional stats. Use this information to decide whether to buy or sell. When you are ready, tap the green trade button on the gold page. Now, set the trade amount in USD, adjust the stop loss and take profit levels if needed, or leave them as default. You can also choose leverage by tapping the X1 button to trade without leverage or higher for CFDs. Finally, tap Open or Buy button. Your position will now be live and you can track it from the Portfolio tab. And that's it. Trading gold on eToro using your mobile is simple and efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching Financify, and I'll see you in the next video.